Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for Jenny, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. So thank you, Jenny, for being a patron again this month. She requested a Mystic Babe themed spread. So this is from Live Love Posh. I already pulled the sticker sheets that she requested. Just like pretty blues. Yeah, excited to use these because they're really nice and they're all clear stickers. And we have some like little moths that I can do like little trails with, which I like doing. But yeah, it's from Mystic Babe. I've been using this book quite a bit. Oh yeah, there's quotes. I didn't remember there's quotes. Yeah, I've been using this one quite a bit recently. I've had a couple of requests for it, and then just myself, like I've used this, and it's a really nice book. I'm usually not into this theme, but Live Love Posh did a great job with the collections in here. So yeah, it's a really nice one. I think it's available. It'll be linked, or the site will be linked in the description. And then also I need to put in some boxes. So I have some gray boxes, and then I have some other boxes I can pull in, but I'm probably gonna pull in gray boxes with this. Yeah, I think gray would be good because I didn't want to bring in blue because first I didn't really have blues like in this color tone. And I just wanted these to pop more off the page. And she does use this for a journaling page, so that's what this is going to be. More for journaling, not for planning. So yeah, just decorate that for her. So we have some really cute like floral pieces. I want to actually add these down first. I like how simple these are, but I just like how bold they are too. Like I think I could draw these up on what's it called? Procreate. Like pretty easily, which is cool. But they're just so nice. I like them. And then I'm gonna do a blue one. I like the ones that are coming off the edge a little bit. I have one coming this way. Nice. And then I can put some on this side. I guess I'm just gonna put flowers down first. Let's do this one. I wish there was like ones where it's flipped on the other side, but I guess I could go this way with it. Yeah. So let's go this way. I'll just have to cut it a little bit. That's okay. Then I can go up the page with this one. Okay, and then I have these flowers here. I'm gonna hold off on these because I'm gonna put them down in a bit, and then I'm gonna add other pieces too. But I wanna get some boxes down, so let's go get the gray boxes here. I think I want this gray. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put some gray boxes down. Oh my goodness, I have like a new neighbor down below, under me. So I'm like on the top and I have one person under me, and I think they're like playing video games or something. I don't know, I hear like a lot of like booming kind of noises. It's either that or they're watching a movie, but I think they're playing video games. So it's interesting. It's like 10 o'clock at night, so hopefully it doesn't go on too long because I am a very light sleeper. Like these rainbows. So things like that will keep me up. The previous neighbor, I could hear them, like whoever it was, one of them snoring at night. That's how light of a sleeper I am. I could hear it through like the floor coming up through, for them, the ceiling. Yeah, fun. And then once I like zone in on it, I can't like unhear it. I can't stop hearing it. So yeah, not good. But yeah, Now they're playing video games. But thankfully I am a night owl. So if they play late, that's fine because I'm probably still going to be up for a little bit more. And as long as they go to bed when I go to bed, that's all that matters. And I go to bed pretty late, so it's all good. So I'm going to put this moth guy here and do a little like twirly bit here. So I like, actually, let me grab a quote because I keep forgetting I have quotes in here. So I like this, make today magical, mainly because I like this size. Oops, always a pain to pull these off. Okay. I'm gonna put this down here. Cool. And then let me grab another quote. Let's do inner peace. Just want one up here. Like put boxes around it. What else can I add with this? Wait, let me go back over here. We got some washi tape. Some washi. Just have that going across the page. Okay, so I got some washi, and then I'll probably put like a planner related thing down over here, which I guess would be this. It's quite big. I do want to get this moon on here too. Oh, they're definitely playing video games because now I can hear them talking. That's so funny. It's like they're on a speaker or something. Interesting. Yeah, I think they just moved in. I don't know like how many people are down there. If it's just like one person or more than one person. But I think I've seen one person. Okay, I've got the moon. Let me get another one of these little moths. Oh, and then I need flowers too. We'll do one here. Okay, cute. Okay, flowers. Oh, let me get a box, a layered box here. Just gonna do, sorry, I'm doing it off camera, but I'm just gonna do a little layered bit here. And then, let's see, flowers. I wanna add some of these. Okay, I'm gonna put a box here. Maybe a square box. I was gonna put planning stuff, but I don't know. I think it's too, this is too big, so I can't do that. I could do this little bow. Actually, I kind of need this one. It's a different color. I'll do it here. Okay, I've got a little bow. And okay, let me do a quote. Let's see. I want to do this one because I like that it's long. Wander under the stars. I can do one up here. Doesn't take up too much room, and I think I need one here. So let's do this Mystic Heart Cosmic Art. I think that'll fit here. Okay. Looks good so far. I'm just gonna add a couple more boxes. Add one here. And I'll add one there. Let's do another little bow over here. Okay. I could do another. Well, there's only 2 moths. There's this one and this one. I already used both of them. Okay, I'll do something else. I could do a rainbow down here. This one has like a little moon in it. Oops. Oh my goodness. Did not mean to do that. Yikes. Okay, let me try that again. Okay. I still have, yeah, these are the same. I can do some of these like little crystal bits. Just throw that there. Okay. And it's really pretty, actually. I like the colors a lot. Okay, I'm gonna see in this book if I have anything. I've used a lot of this book. There's some interesting stickers in here, but they might be just really planning related instead of, yeah, they are very planning related. I also have a line because I like the grays in here, but I think, again, this is another very planning related book. So probably not the best. I could do these actually. This one says reflect. And then I can do hello today. All right, and then I'm just gonna add in a couple of bullet points in a couple of places from this book, just the same gray color I've been using, just like more this medium gray. Okay, so yeah, just a couple bullet points. Okay, I think that's it. Came together pretty nice. Love the colors and love the whole vibe of this. Again, this isn't something I normally would have used, this theme, but I really like the way that they did this theme for this book. So good. All right, so that's gonna be my spread for Jennie. Again, this was using Mystic Babe. I used a couple from her line, like barely any, but just like 2. And then all the functional boxes were from Jojo, gray boxes and more. So those were the books I used, but I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.